myself, you're such a lucky kind to have a girl like her is truly a dream come true. And out of all the fellas in the world, she belongs to you. It was just my imagination running away to free. Tell you it was just my imagination running away with me. So we'll be married and raise a family. Oh yeah, have a cozy little home down in the country with 2 children, maybe 3. I tell you, can visualize it all. Come to really all see. Ooh, yeah. It was just my imagination.